The HV30 Full HD camcorder inherits all the benefits of Canon's award-winning HV20 for outstanding high-definition 1080i video. The superior quality of Canon HD video is based on the Canon HD camera system, the combination of three unique technologies: a genuine Canon HD video lens, a 2.96 megapixel Canon Full HD CMOS sensor, and the powerful Digic DV2 processor. Focusing is extremely fast and pin-sharp, thanks to instant autofocus, a unique hybrid system that delivers the extreme accuracy required to shoot in HD. The HV30's HD video lens with 10 times optical zoom is also specially engineered for the demands of HD, and Super Range Optical Image Stabilizer compensates for the magnified effects of camera shake. An advanced accessory shoe adapts the HV30 for a versatile range of connections to suit any shooting situation, while manual audio controls fine-tune sound recording. To monitor recording, the HV30's large 2.7-inch multi-angle vivid LCD screen rotates and has a wide 135-degree viewing angle. And for the filmmaker in you, the HV30 offers the choice of true 25 frames per second progressive shooting, an option that produces video images with a cinema-style look and feel.